Hey guys, how you doing? Thanks for coming back to Disturbing Creations here with Damien. And today I want to show you just a quick and easy trick that you can do yourself to upgrade your vehicle. So a lot of vehicles have the license plates in the front and back and they're kind of ugly. So people get these little covers that go over them, but they're very expensive and sometimes the paint wears off or they're not very custom. They're all, mostly silver. So I'm going to take a couple of old ones that I have and show you for just a few dollars how you can make it custom for you. So we're going to take two old black ones that I have off my car and we're going to make them two different colors for almost free for some extra paint we have laying around the shop, and they're going to look custom. Now, I just went to Advanced Auto and I looked at license plate covers and they were around $20 to $30 a piece. So for two, because I have to have two in my state, that's 60 bucks. Man, I could go buy a can of spray paint for $5. So 55 bucks in my pocket. Let's go check out these license plates and see how they came out. So I wanted to show you guys these things that I had. I got these on the Boxster, the 99. So they're license plate like covers, brackets, or whatever. One had some overspray on it, a little bit silver, and it says Boxster down here. But I can't use the front plate because I have it bent around my bumper because I don't want it on the nose. So I'm gonna put one of these on each car. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do for you to save money. What we're going to do is we're going to sand this up kind of nice. And then we're going to go ahead and paint this. I'm probably going to paint this one green and put it on the car with the headlights. And I'm going to tint the windows green. And the other one, I'm probably going to make this one purple. And then I don't know what color we're going to make this one. To take 600 grit wet dry sandpaper, or wet sandpaper. So you put this in some water, and then I'm just gonna sand the surfaces here, So this is metal. It's not like this is plastic garbage. Like you would get one of these at your local, whatever little store that sells oil or whatever, one of those little car parts stores. They usually sell these for like 20, 25, 30 bucks if they're fancy. A carbon fiber one is probably like $50, but I can sand this up and paint it whatever color, and if I don't like it, I'll just wrap it with carbon fiber wrap. So what we'll probably do is I'll paint one and show you how to do that, and then I'll go ahead and wrap one of these carbon fibers so you can see that as well. So I'm just taking the wet sandpaper, just cleaning it off, sanding it out, sanding. I got my little table here. I'm not sanding hard enough to get the words, so I'm not scratching that sticker right there, but I'm scratching it enough to where something will adhere to it. I want to be able to get like any little nicks like this flat, so I'm just going to rub on that a few more times. See the little nick in there? So once I get this all done, I'm going to take it outside. I'm going to wash it down. I'm going to take it out and I'm going to spray paint this one. That's it. You don't have to spray this crazy. You don't want to put a lot on this. You just want to put the bare minimum. But I am using this Rust-Oleum primer. It says it does 50% more coverage. I mean, this can was expensive, but it really seems to be a really good primer. It says any angle spray. So I'm turning it upside down and everything. It's spraying really well, So now we just have to paint it a color. So we're gonna go anodized purple with this one. looks great. Looks great. Wow, it really looks good. Just a little right here on the top. Looks good. All right, so this one's gonna be anodized purple, and then the other one that we got for free that was the front plate is the exact same thing as this. We're gonna do with a lime green. We're gonna put this on the black race car with purple accents, and the other one we're going to put on the silver car, because that's where I've been putting all the green stuff. So let's go ahead and let this dry. Then we're gonna bring the other green one out and do that. Now, this one I did with a 2-coat. I sprayed down the primer as you saw me spray. Then off camera, I sprayed a little bit of this top coat stuff, which is basically the same thing. Oops. Which is basically the same thing, except this is ground coat, so I just sprayed it down real easy. I let it dry for 5 minutes, and then I turned the camera on and I showed the paint. The reason I didn't show this is because this is silver and it was going on top of primer, so you guys really couldn't see it, but you can see the difference in the purple. So let's go ahead and let this dry, get the other plate in here, and we're gonna go green as well. So I don't have any green paint left. I just have this green engine enamel paint. So we're gonna try to go with that and see what kind of color it comes out, you know? Enamel paint's a little thicker, so you gotta move. You can't be just spray it in one spot and hold it there because it'll start to run and saturate. The other paint was a little thinner because it went over the ground coat, but I painted this one ground coat as well, but I don't think you're gonna be able to see the glitter because this engine paint is just so thick. I mean, look, I don't even have to hit it twice. It's already done. All right, and there's the green one for the silver car. So our color is green and purple, there it is. I'm gonna let this go out there and hit the sun for a little bit, and then I'm gonna show you what both plates look like when they're actually cured. All right, so here they are. This is the purple plate on the black car. I put this one on the black car. So it looks great, brand new, goes with the black, I think. And don't mind the bumper damage, but this one has the green headlights and the green around the back, and it looks great as well. So both of these were black and scratched up and looked terrible, but now they both look great, the green and the black. So just a little bit of paint, a little bit of work, a little bit of love, and you can get really nice stuff. So I saved probably about 50 bucks, you know, and just like a half an hour of my time. So you can do it too. So if you like these plates, if I gave you a good idea for you to save money and do some custom stuff for yourself, give us a thumbs up, a like, a subscribe, share this with one of your friends, tell them, hey man, your plate covers look terrible, you need to add some color to your car, you know, do some of this stuff. All right, Disturbing Creations, we're out.